Hi, and welcome to Magic Scanner website, a fundamental stock selector for KLSE and SGX financial market. You're about to learn the secrets to raking in double to triple digit return per annum in trading or investing, no matter how much time you've had to prepare. It doesn't matter if you've never had any past experience or education, this Magic Scanner will tell you everything you need to know without spending too much brain power. This is unlike any tool you'll find out there. It's the edge that most analysts and fund managers want or have. Go ahead and get yours now.
Welcome to another Friday chart clinic dated 28th of March 2014. Welcome to we have a good turnout today in here. Just a little bit of commercial that we are doing our Master the Market main course next week, April 5, 6 and 7. We still have seats left. This is the first one we'll be doing. We only do it twice a year, as most of you know. The next one will be in November, and we felt that this market is on the verge of a breakout, and which I will talk about it this evening on our Friday closing bell. More on that one. We will hit a new high. As you can see here, on our web page, Master the Market, there's only 1 week left, and this is a countdown here. So those of you who is already attended, you can come back for a resit because some new material for you, and you're able to get this market right. For those of you who is considering coming, do consider this course in here. I will play you a YouTube video like we did last week to tell you the kind of things you'll be expecting. Okay, just bear with me.
Master the market and live the lifestyle you deserve. Discover the powerful methods which will catapult your portfolio in this intensive 3-day financial workshop. Bill Romine and Martin Wong will show you the exact strategies they've used to master the markets even in this down economy. The financial markets do not play fair. Learn the system Bill and Martin have used to create a steady income and guard their capital, all while living a lifestyle that is comfortable and secure. A lifestyle you can enjoy too. In this workshop, you will learn how to trade in harmony with successful smart money traders, stay in good trades for longer, identify bad trades sooner, enhance the effectiveness of technical analysis tools. Head to this website below for more information and lock in your place at this fantastic conference today.
Alright, that's right. Yep, this next Saturday will be definitely a good show. I will send you the YouTube, or probably give you a brochure. How many of you like a brochure of our main course? Okay, how many of you like a brochure of our main course? Just type in our email to you. Okay, so support us so we can bring you more good Friday chart clinic. That's the whole point, because we are, really want to support our guys out there, which is you, who's been regularly coming for our show. And if you think our Friday chart clinic has a lot of merits, and I'm showing you a lot. Even last week, we have some good stock just broke out too in here, which is the 21st March, I believe was 21st March. Yeah, some nice one broke out. We have Prelexus, we picked that up. Molten is already picking up in here. Latitude is picking up. So a lot of good shares for the Friday chart clinic. Okay, LKK Kong, okay. Just send me an email if you want a copy of the brochure, because we don't do it that often, okay. Some of you who have not attended, and I see some new names here, consider that, right. What I can do is I'll give you a link after this while Bill is talking, and you're able to get the brochure, okay. I should be able to give you the brochure now, all right. If you can download the brochure. Let me just get my Google link first, okay. The brochure, I should have a copy of the brochure here somewhere. No, not exactly. I need to go back to the S3 for that one. So we're going to be, I'll send you a copy of the brochure. Okay, Mr. Kong, okay? And then you can download the brochure from there. But, okay, with that, I'll pass you to Bill. Bill is ready to give you perhaps a market outlook. Let me just, all right, let me just get this out of the way first. And I'll give you a chart to look at, okay, which is typically the chart that I normally use on my Friday closing bell. Okay. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'll pass you to Bill, and we will do that. Okay. All right, Bill, you go ahead, Bill.
Okay, good morning, everybody. I have one thing to report that is quite interesting, and this is from the Bank Credit Analyst, which is a very prominent newsletter from Canada, and it reports about interest rate trends, growth trends, and it had an article this time on tapering, and an interesting thing has happened about the tapering. And as you know, it means that the federal government is reducing liquidity in the system. So what had happened before is that the government was liquefying the money markets by crediting commercial banks with billions and billions of dollars. And the banks, instead of lending it out, they just left it there with the Federal Reserve and captured a 0.25 interest rate with absolutely no risk at all. So that's one reason why the government is withdrawing this liquidity, this quantitative easing, but it's having another effect. And that means that the banks can't make any free, risk-free interest. So what they're doing, they're beginning to lend out the money. And in the last 3 months, bank lending has gone up by 9% in the U.S. And what does it mean? It means that when banks lend, it means that they can leverage that 12 or 15 or even 20 to 1. So it means more money is now coming directly into the economy. And one result has been that we have now seen prices of a lot of goods are going up. For example, food prices this year have gone up over 19% in the U.S. It's the best performing asset class of anything in the U.S. It means that prices of beef, of pork, of fish, of butter, of milk, coffee, everything is going up. And a lot of that has to do with now the banks are pumping more money into the economy, the real economy. Now, how does that affect Malaysia? Well, we're looking at, I've got a report here. It's Malaysia Strategy second quarter from Bank Negara. And what they're saying is that Malaysia's economy is now on track for a cyclical recovery. And you can see growth going up. They estimated that growth will go up to at least 5.4% in 2014. And also bond yields are leveling off. So we're not seeing any raising or rising interest rates here in Malaysia. If you go over to Singapore, the MAS just announced a week ago that they are going to ease off. And that means that's one reason the Singapore market has had a reasonable move in the last few days, because they're easing off. And that's very good for consumer stocks there, which Martin and I have been accumulating for you guys who have managed accounts with us. Also means that we should overweight, according to my research, we should overweight banks, financial companies, oil and gas, construction, rubber gloves. Those are some of the things that may benefit from this reliquefying the economy. So the tapering is having an effect that a lot of people did not anticipate. And in my opinion, it's going to benefit markets all over the world. So also, year to date, the CI is down about 2.5%, which is the most underperforming of all the regional peers, such as Vietnam, is up 19%, Indonesia 10%, Philippines 7.6%, Thailand 4.8%, India 2.8%, and on the other hand, Hong Kong is down by 8%, South Korea 3.8%, and Singapore down 3%. So this new liquidity injection, cutting out this tapering, and Singapore easing should see Singapore as a recovery play. And also in Singapore, I forgot to mention, we like the telecommunications stocks, we like the oil and gas, and these should outperform in the months ahead. I don't agree with this property thing because the property has really been cooling down since the government has found that the average Joe cannot buy a house. They're too expensive. So they have cooling measures now to bring down property prices. So I would say going forward, expect Asia to benefit from these new monetary policies. And don't be too afraid of China. China's not going out of business. China has cooled down a bit their property market. However, there is stability now, and even China seems to be forming a support, an accumulation support. So having said that, I wish you guys a good week ahead, next week anyway, and we hope to see those who want to attend our course coming up. We have some new things for you, and we wish you the best.
All right, thanks a lot, Bill. Now bring the mic back to me again. Yeah, there's some. Ali asked you to take some olive leaf extract for general health. Yeah.
Let me write that.
Yeah, Bill will take anybody. If you have any advice, please give to Bill. Yeah.
Olive?
Olive leaf extract. Okay, that's only probably Ali is from Perth, Bill. Okay, so maybe.
Oh, he's a doctor?
No, he's not. He's a retiree. You know, we met up before, right, Ali? Okay, good. Now remember, I've just sent you just now is the link for the webinar brochure, so I don't have to send it to you. If you can see your chat, okay, if you can access your chat right at your chat here, you're able to click on it and paste it to your browser. Click on it, paste it to your browser, you're able to download the brochure. Okay, click on it, able to paste it down, download to your brochure. Is that okay? So I won't be sending now because there's a fair bit of people in here, right? As for the market outlook, I won't be doing it now. I'll be doing on the premium membership, which is this evening, 4:15. For those of you who are considering our premium membership, you should sign up, as there is, good stock picks, market outlook, and you always get a better service. Okay, that's what we want to do, and to make sure you are well informed and